Guys, this background you are seeing on the screen is fake. Yes, this studio background is fake. Now, one of the challenges I've faced recently with creating content on YouTube is using a particular background because I am at home, so I tend to use the background of where I am, which might not even resonate well for my viewers because most times I do a tutorial. I am in a tutorial niche, and you find it difficult because if you do not show up looking beautiful or your background looking good at times, you find out that a whole lot of people will just swipe away. But sometimes when you have these backgrounds fixed, you find out that a whole lot of people will be glued to your videos just looking at this beautiful background. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can create this background for free. Yes, it is for free. And at the end of this video, you will find out the certain mistakes you make that made your backgrounds not to come out beautiful. First of all, if you want to record a video, I have had some issues before I get to this particular point. Anytime I want to change the background of my video, I find it difficult because I go to the popular apps, InShot and CapCut to change my background, although CapCut has added their own to Pro. But when I go to InShot, I found out that for it to remove the background that I have already, it becomes so difficult. Sometimes my phone will be hot, it will consume a lot of battery. Okay, so I started searching for alternative ways on how I can also remove my backgrounds and still make my video backgrounds beautiful. Now, what I did was I found out this trick. Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Chamzy Tutor Zone. On this channel we talk about how to grow your channel, how to edit your videos, and how to make money online. So stick around and do not forget to hit the subscription button, the notification bell, and the like. Okay, your comments are very important for me. It helps me to upgrade, and I would love that. If you're a returning subscriber, you are just the heartbeat of this channel. If you're a new subscriber, you are welcome. You will get value for your time. So quickly, let us dive in. There are two things that you need to do first of all before you can change your background successfully and make it beautiful. First of all, look at the video I am making. Take a look at the height. Okay, I leave a little space above my head, which is very important. Now, the number two mistake you are making is flipping your hands when you are making your videos to go beyond your body. Okay, this is very wrong. You see the way I put my hands, even if I want to demonstrate, I put my hands exactly where my body is. Okay, so that way, even if I have to edit this particular video, it will not be difficult for me to do the right thing. It will not be difficult because you know it's AI that is doing this. So if I edit this video because my hands are within the range of my body, it will not show that this is a fake background that I'm using, a fake studio background. Okay, so that's the number two thing you need to do. Now, the number three thing you need to do is that after capturing this video, make sure you do a screenshot of this video. Okay, a screenshot, like capture a picture from this particular video. It will be very useful when we are creating the background. So once that is done, I will quickly move you to where you can create your realistic fake realistic background, so to say. Okay, this will go a long way to help you in creating this background, and you find out that your videos are going to stand out, and it's very easy. You are going to do this thing in less than a minute. So quickly, let us move in.
Okay, go to any browser of your choice, click on firefly.adobe.com. okay, once that is open, it will bring you here. Click on the third one, discover Adobe Firefly. Okay, and then it's loading. Once it has finished loading, it will bring you here, open Adobe Firefly. Click on it. Once you click on open that, it will bring you here. Okay, now scroll down to okay, quickly scroll down. You see generative fill. Click on it. Once you click on generative fill, to bring you here to tell you to upload a picture, it will bring you to your gallery. Pick that particular picture you captured, you screenshot for that video from the video clip. Okay, click on brush and clean the background a little, just the way I am doing, you are seeing on the screen. Once this is done, okay, move in to, if you want to remove the background entirely, click on background. If you don't want that, you can use the method I'm using because of flipping of hands. Okay, now put in your prompts. Once you put in your beautiful prompts, you just click on generate. Okay, let's see, I am adjusting my prompt here to make sure it is quite specific. So once I am done doing that, I will just click on generate. It's important that you make your prompts specific so that it will be easy for it to generate what you want it to generate. You know, it's an AI tool. Okay, so I'm adjusting my prompt. If you want this prompt here, let me know in the comment section and I will just drop it there for you. All right, so now I am done adjusting my prompts. I'll click on generate and it starts generating for me. So it's going to, the good thing about this is it's going to generate 3 backgrounds for you, so you make your choice. So once this is done, please click on download and download your background.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Chumsy Tutorials. If you found this video useful and interesting, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video is dropping, and do not forget to like, share this video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Your thoughts are my boosts. Okay, so thank you. See you next in our next video. Bye.